Hello dear language lovers and followers of my channel. I've got a little announcement to make. Right now I'm into my 6th and hopefully last semester of Slavonic Philology BA, and therefore I'm planning to end it successfully and to do some other studies, master studies, and well, also have a semester abroad in Zagreb, to be exact. And as you might know, following my videos and stuff, I'm into some native level of Croatian, but it's not perfect right now. And I would like those of you who are also Croatian native speakers and maybe learning German and even English or maybe Russian, those of you I can help with languages, well, to send me a message if you're interested into a Skype language exchange, especially for German, because I know there are Croats struggling with German, forgetting all they knew or learned, what they have learned in school after a few years. Write me a message if you're interested in a language exchange. I'm a native speaker of both Croatian and German, but my German is far better. I mean, like, far better means I can talk like a Bavarian and or a German, if this is different, if there's a different thing. And but my Croatian is, I'm struggling sometimes with some subjects because I don't have someone to talk about them, or well, new words being used in Croatia but not here in the diaspora. And well, I would be glad to receive your message, receive your message. And well, hopefully we'll get in contact. Thanks for watching and see you later. Bye.